If I'm being honest, adding burrata to salad has been my cheat this summer to making really delicious, satisfying dinner salads at home. And if you're not using burrata in your salads, today we're going to change that because I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks. Getting something like this summer fruit salad on the table only takes me 5 minutes and looks so beautiful. To get things started, I want you to make sure you have 1 burrata per person. So there's usually 2 burratas in a pack. You just want to scale up as needed. And in case you don't know, burrata is not regular mozzarella cheese. It's a rich, fresh Italian cheese. It has a soft mozzarella shell, but the inside is a creamy, buttery center, and it literally spills out when you cut into it, and it's so beautiful. And it's the perfect canvas for a salad. And although you can get it in most grocery stores, it's usually something most people eat out. Burrata is great to pair with so many versatile flavors. In the summer, I love to do a bed of fresh lettuce. You can use arugula. Even just iceberg chopped up is so good. I like to do that on the bottom and then add diced up fresh summer fruit. Whatever I have in the fridge or on the counter, you could use mangoes, peaches, cherries, blueberries, strawberries. You can also add in things like thinly sliced onion. That would be so good. It's really amazing how from sweet to savory, everything just pairs with burrata. When it comes to dressing, I have good news that you can go super simple when you're serving burrata in a salad and just put some olive oil down on the lettuce, sprinkle with some salt and pepper if you'd like. And then I usually add a layer of fruit and the burrata, and I put some balsamic glaze on top. That's just kind of what I use for the vinegar note, and it also is a little bit sweet. Of course, you could just use some typical Italian dressing, but this is my go-to. So when do you add the burrata to salad? Well, that really depends on when you're serving it. I would prep all the ingredients and then toss them together, which literally takes 5 minutes right before it's time to serve. In my opinion, seasoning the burrata is one of the most important steps. When you put down the burrata, what you need to do is slice it open so it's ready for all of those flavors. And then you want to put on a little drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper. You could put a couple fresh basil leaves on top. That would be delicious. And then of course, you know I'm a big fan of adding that balsamic glaze all over the burrata and the rest of the salad. If you want to cook more delicious and simple meals, join my Foodie Fridays email list. It's completely free. I'll leave you the link, or you can get it and print out my summer fruit burrata recipe at sipbitego.com. I'll see you in the next video.